There is a couple of ways on how you can add custom code to your Squarespace website. And in this video right here, I'm going to be showing you all of the different methods, all the different ways you can customize your Squarespace website with code. So let's get into it. Over at Squarespace, I'm going to show you all of the different methods you can add custom code to your Squarespace website. So the first and foremost, most used code is CSS. And that is available to add under pages, inside website tools, and custom CSS. And here you can basically customize every single thing on your Squarespace website with CSS by targeting the blocks or targeting the Squarespace blocks. Then we also have something called code injection. And this is basically JavaScript or any other code that you would need to inject into your website. The most used one is, for example, if you want to have Google Analytics, usually that comes in here, and also these tracking devices and everything comes in here, but you're also possible to use a plugin that is from a third party, like for example, Ghost plugins or anything. You would also sometimes use JavaScript and that would be injected into here. You also do have the possibility to inject code directly on each page. And the way you would do that is if you need to add some JavaScript to only one page. For example, let's say you want the logo to be white on one page, but you want it to be black on another page, then that would maybe also need some JavaScript in order to get that working, for example. And how you would do that is simply come into here, adding some advanced code and putting that code in right there. So you also have that possibility. Finally, when it also comes to sort of like adding code directly on the page, you also have the possibility to add code blocks to your Squarespace website. So there are a couple of different ways here, as you can see. And this code block right here basically takes any code. So here you can write both HTML, CSS, JavaScript, if you want to do that in line with the HTML. And you can basically, you get the thought of that you can customize a lot of things on Squarespace with custom code. And the point of this video was just showcasing you all of the different ways that you can add custom code to your Squarespace website. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, and if you want me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.